Alright guys, I have the Flexzilla garden hose, as you can see right over here. Made the mistake of leaving it on my asphalt driveway when it was hot and got this sticky residue on it. Someone gave the idea of purchasing the lacquer thinner. Picked it up from Walmart. I just wanted to show you how it looks. It actually works really well. So just rub it in and it comes right off. I did use it up here already, so it's working perfectly fine. Only thing is, I would recommend using a microfiber cloth. It is going to be trash after you're done. It is still a bit sticky on the hose, but someone else recommended about leaving it in some soapy water. So after I'm done cleaning it, I'll probably use like a 5-gallon bucket and let it soak in.